welcome to Untitled channel. So that's the biggest and the largest fabric store in my hometown. And I just bought a jacket fabric. I want to make something unique with this fabric. Stay tuned. If you love this cat ear headband, consider subscribing. Prepare the fabric flower. I have made a tutorial for this tulle fabric flower. You can click the link here for details. And trust me when I say every piece of fabric flower in this headband is handmade. And I have also made a tutorial for this. You can click the link here. I will attach them together. Next, I have made the tutorials for these flowers and you can click the link here. Next, this is one of my favorite flower. It's frilly flower and I have made the tutorial here. Prepare a stamen. I will cut this using pliers. Prepare a piece of lace and ranunculus fabric flower. Next, prepare the cat ear template. You can find this template at... no, forget it. You can screenshot this and print it out. And this is the jacket fabric that I bought. This fabric is very beautiful. It has a little glitter. I will cut the fabric with this template for 4 pieces. And prepare a dark shade. You can find this at craft store. If you can't find one, you can use felt fabric. I have prepared a smaller piece. I will fold it in half and cut out the cat ear template. Next, I will draw the template on the wrong side of the jacket fabric. Next, I will put the jacket fabric with the right sides together and put the background here like this with the right sides together. I will stitch right in a line here. like this. Now clip around the template. Turn the fabric inside out. Next, I will use hot glue to secure the fabric. Next, prepare a piece of felt fabric. I will measure the fabric here and prepare an elastic band. I will cut the elastic band. Next, I will attach the cat ear like this. I will fold down this a little and glue it like this. Next, I will attach the flowers a little stands up like this. Our cat ear headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cat ear headband tutorial, please give thumbs up, leave a comment below, share this video, subscribe and ring the bell. In my hometown, and I just bought a jacket fabric. This fabric has a little glitter. No,